Friends, the march to make everything in HubSpot automatable is continuing on, and now campaigns can be enrolled in workflows. Check this out. So here I am creating a workflow, and what if we wanted to create a workflow when a campaign record is created? We could do that. Or what if we wanted to, based on a criteria, maybe a campaign budget is we're overspending, or it's a campaign color is a particular thing. Sky's the limit, friends. Whatever you want to automate on. All your campaign properties are here. This is now in beta. Opt yourself in. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.
S-H-O-U-T.
Snack?
Shout?
No? Who needs a snack?
I-Space H-A-T-E space.
I'm sorry. We live here.
I know. Hazards of the life of chosen.
Now spell yuck. Ignore it. It's Y-A-T.
You know what? We are almost out of yacht.
Yacht.
So no more.
Yacht. That doesn't make sense. Yacht.
At least the baby's quiet.
Are you telling me it's yacht? It's yacht. W-E-I-R-D.
Friends, the march to make everything in HubSpot automatable is continuing on, and now campaigns can be enrolled in workflows.